Some clogs just need a bit of softening up to get them cleaned out. Hot or even boiling water is the easiest, quickest and cheapest way to clear a clog, so try that first. Some people have had some luck unclogging a drain by using salt and boiling water, vinegar and baking soda and salt, or even just some dishwashing liquid. These home remedies work by softening the clog. However, these drain cleaning methods often lead to a sink full of nasty water over a stubborn clog. At the first sign of a clog, most people grab the plumber's helper, a plunger. Just be sure to use the right kind of plunger and use it correctly. Finally, you can clean your drain's P-trap to clear the clog. Just place a bucket under the drain to catch any water or debris that may fall out. Unfasten the P-trap from the drain pipe and clear out anything that is stuck in there. Maybe the best drain cleaning advice might be avoiding a clog in the first place. Pouring equal parts of vinegar and baking soda down the drain on a regular basis will keep your sink smelling fresh and running clean.